Hi there, my name is Anna from the EverEscents Organic Hair Care team, and today I am here to talk to you about the beautiful organic orange and cedarwood heat protector and finishing cream. So this versatile product is designed to protect the hair against heat damage and reduce the frizz and flyaways. This lightweight cream seals and protects the surface of the hair and delivers a natural shine without leaving the hair oily or limp. Keramare, the heat protection element of this product, is naturally derived from Mediterranean sea algae. It is designed to repair and restore the natural condition of healthy hair and works from the inside to restore the integrity of the hair fibers while offering heat protection of up to 250 degrees Celsius. This organic heat protector can be used in multiple ways. It can be applied to damp hair before blow drying or to dry hair before heat styling. Once you have applied this amazing product, it will offer its benefits until your next wash. It can also be used to tame flyaways, any frizz, or anything after styling. Simply apply a small amount to the palm of your hands, emulsify and apply to the hair in downward strokes. Of course, the organic heat protector is CG approved and is incredible to scrunch out the crunch. It will also add to the beautiful shine of your curls and add definition. This product contains up to 76% certified organic ingredients and is 100% naturally derived. It is beautifully scented with certified organic sweet orange blossom and cedarwood essential oils. This pair creates a subtle aromatic experience when using the heat protector finishing cream. As with all of our EverEscents organic hair care products, this product does not contain any silicones, no sulfates, and no toxic chemicals, and it is safe for coloured hair. It is 100% Aussie made and owned, cruelty free, vegan friendly and curl friendly. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.